We visited the Harvey House in Barstow, California, to see if it's worth stopping for. Most people just cruise right past this place on their way to Vegas. The Harvey House opened in 1911 as a Fred Harvey Company hotel, restaurant, and railroad depot. It was operated during the peak of rail travel, serving passengers on the Santa Fe Railroad. Trains arrived approximately every 30 minutes, accommodating thousands of passengers daily. It was designed by Mary Coulter, the renowned architect, known for her work on structures in the Grand Canyon. Her design was a mix of Spanish and mission-style architecture. It was also built with extra thick walls to keep out the extreme desert heat. The entire complex was built right on the tracks. The passengers could step off the train and right into a luxurious hotel and dining facility. During World War II, this became a stop for troops moving across the country. It played a small but important role in the war effort. It's also known as Casa de Desierto, meaning House of the Desert. By the 1970s, the Barstow Harvey House was abandoned and almost demolished. But thanks to local historians and preservationists, it was saved and now stands as one of the best surviving examples of the Harvey Empire. The museum houses many displays, including model trains, historical equipment, and a 1945 steam locomotive. If you're a fan of trains, you're really going to like this place. There are also items on display that were used by the Harvey girls, the servers and staff that brought a touch of elegance and order to the Wild West. During our visit, we were surprised to discover a fun space exhibit on the upper level. We had so much fun exploring the Harvey House. This place is definitely worth the stop. Happy travels!